Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how you can change the color of any object with the help of Photoshop. So let's get into it and see how it's done. Here we have our image and we have to change the color of this sofa. Head over to the toolbar and select Object Selection tool. Now click anywhere on the sofa as you see this pink outline and it will make the selection of your object. It has selected some extras. So first, let's remove it. Choose the polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar. Press Alt or Option on the keyboard and make a selection around the area that you don't want. This will remove the extras. Similarly, let's refine the other parts as well. When done, go to the adjustment layer and choose solid color. Select the color as per your choice and hit OK. Now change its blending mode to multiply. It has already done a good job as of now. Now right click on the layer and choose blending options. Here in the underlying layer, move the white slider towards the left. As the transition is hard, so we'll press Alt or Option to break the slider and move it apart to make it smooth. When done, hit OK. You can even double click on the color fill layer to change the color again if you want. Experiment with different colors and select the one that fits best. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to change the color of any object in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.